Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best steamers for clothes in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the top steamers on the market. We've done the research, tested the products, and now we're bringing you the best of the best. But here's the catch. One of these steamers has a unique feature that sets it apart from the rest. Can you guess which one it is? Stay tuned till the end to find out. Let's dive right in and start the journey to wrinkle-free clothes. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Jiffy Steamer J2000M. This fantastic steamer is perfect for both home and light commercial use, and we're excited to share its features with you. Firstly, let's talk about the versatility of the J2000M. This isn't just a tool for removing wrinkles from your clothes. It's also an excellent device for removing wallpaper, giving your home a fresh new look. And that's not all. You can also use it for steaming bedding and table linens, ensuring they're clean and fresh. It's a versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks, making it a valuable addition to any home or business. Next, let's discuss the durability and mobility of this steamer. The J2000M is built to last, thanks to its high-impact plastic housing. This ensures it can withstand regular use without any issues. Plus, it has swivel wheels, allowing you to easily move it around your home or workspace. This combination of durability and mobility makes it a reliable tool for any steaming task. One of the standout features is the easy fill tank. The transparent design lets you see when it's time to refill, and it's detachable for easy filling. The additional garment hanger and fabric brush attachments make the steaming process even more effective, allowing you to hang your clothes and brush them while steaming. Finally, let's talk about the user-friendly features of the J2000M. It comes with a clear plastic water reservoir, making it easy to see when it's time to refill. It also has a no-drip check valve system, preventing any water from leaking out during use. The flexible hose with a metal steam head and wooden handle makes it comfortable to use, and the easy roll casters ensure you can move it around with ease. It even has an on-off switch for easy operation. In conclusion, the Jiffy Steamer J2000M is a versatile, durable, and efficient garment steamer that's perfect for any home or light commercial setting. It offers a range of features that make it a joy to use, and its quick heat-up time and large steaming capacity ensure it can handle any task you throw at it. Number 4. The Enrichment PureSteam Pro Upright Clothes Steamer. This isn't just any steamer, it's a comprehensive solution for all your fabric care needs. Let's get started. Fastly, the Enrichment PureSteam Pro Upright Clothes Steamer. Its quick heating and powerful steaming capabilities. In just 45 seconds, this steamer is ready to go, delivering up to 1,500 watts of safe, thermostat-controlled steaming power. It reaches a whopping 208, making it capable of tackling even the most stubborn wrinkles on your clothes. Beyond just removing wrinkles, this steamer is a fabric care powerhouse. It can refresh and soften a wide range of fabrics. From your delicate silk blouse to your heavy cotton curtains, this steamer handles it all with ease. It's gentle enough to work on different types of fabric, such as silk, cotton, linen, and denim, ensuring your clothes always look their best. Next, let's talk about convenience. The PureSteam Pro is designed with a pedal at the base, eliminating the need to hold a steam button or manually pump the nozzle. Just step on the pedal to turn the steamer on and off. Plus, with its adjustable pole and wheels at the bottom, you can easily move it around and adjust the height to suit your needs. One of the standout features is the easy fill tank. The transparent design lets you see when it's time to refill, and it's detachable for easy filling. The additional garment hanger and fabric brush attachments make the steaming process even more effective, allowing you to hang your clothes and brush them while steaming. Finally, with this purchase, you're not just getting a steamer. You're getting a complete fabric care package. This includes a garment hanger, fabric brush, ETL-approved power adapter, and a 5-year warranty. Plus, you get customer support 7 days a week, all from a trusted brand with millions of customers worldwide. In conclusion, that's our in-depth review of the Enrichment PureSteam Pro Upright Clothes Steamer. It's more than just a steamer, it's a complete fabric care solution. Number 3. The Handheld Garment Steamer for Clothes. This compact yet powerful tool is designed to make your clothes wrinkle-free in no time, and it's packed with features that we're excited to share with you. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly is the steam pump. This is the heart of the device, and it's what makes this steamer so effective. It offers 2 modes to cater to your needs. The normal mode provides a steady 18 grams per minute of steam, which is perfect for everyday use. But for those stubborn wrinkles that refuse to budge, the max mode blasts out an impressive 26 grams per minute of steam. It's like having a professional dry cleaner right in your home. Next, let's talk about power. With 1,600 watts under the hood, this handheld steamer heats up in seconds, so you're always ready to start steaming. No more waiting around for your device to heat up, which can be a real time saver, especially when you're in a hurry. One of the standout features of this steamer is the large 300 milliliter capacity water tank. This means you can steam for longer without needing to refill, which is great when you have a lot of clothes to steam, and when it's time to top up, the large opening makes it easy and mess-free. Comfort hasn't been overlooked with the ergonomic handle. It's designed to be easy to hold, ensuring you can direct the steam exactly where you need it. Plus, the well-balanced weight makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing strain on your hand and wrist. Finally, the extra long 10 feet cord gives you the freedom to steam hard to reach areas like drapes. You can plug this compact garment steamer in wherever it's most convenient for you, giving you the flexibility to steam in any room of your house. In conclusion, there you have it, the Handheld Garment Steamer for Clothes. With its powerful steam, quick heat-up time, large water tank, comfortable handle, and long cord, it's a fantastic tool for keeping your clothes looking their best. Whether you're steaming delicate fabrics or tackling stubborn wrinkles, this steamer has got you covered. Number 2. The Conair 2-in-1 Handheld Steamer, a versatile tool that promises to revolutionize your garment care routine. This device is not just a steamer, but also an iron, offering you the best of both worlds. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, the Conair 2-in-1 Handheld Steamer is a turbocharged device that doubles as an iron. Whether you use it vertically as a steamer to refresh your clothes or horizontally as an iron to press them, it smooths out wrinkles in a snap. It's like having a professional dry cleaner right in your home. Next, let's talk about its user-friendly features. The Conair 2-in-1 Handheld Steamer is designed with 4 steam settings, allowing you to customize the steam level to your fabric's needs. It heats up in just 10 seconds, and its 8.5-ounce water tank provides up to 10 minutes of continuous steam. Plus, the smart sensor safety feature is a great touch, stopping the steam when placed on a flat surface and starting again when picked up. It's all about safety and convenience. The Conair 2-in-1 Handheld Steamer comes with some fantastic accessories that enhance its functionality. The Delicate's bonnet is perfect for fine fabrics, protecting them from the direct heat of the steam. The creaser helps you achieve perfect pleats and folds, giving your clothes a professionally ironed look. And the 2-in-1 Silicone Band Plus Bristle Brush pulls fabrics taut for better results and ensures steam penetrates fibers even on heavy fabrics. These accessories truly elevate the steaming experience. Conair's garment steamers have earned the Good Housekeeping seal, a testament to their quality and performance. They ensure your clothes, upholstery, curtains, and other home fabrics stay smooth and fresh. Their line includes handheld, upright, and travel steamers, catering to all your garment care needs. Finally, Conair offers a range of innovative garment care accessories. From fabric shavers to traditional irons and garment steamers, both handheld and full-size, they truly prioritize high-quality garment care, providing you with the tools you need to keep your clothes looking their best. In conclusion, that's it for our review of the Conair 2-in-1 Handheld Steamer. It's a versatile, easy-to-use tool with some great features and accessories. If you're looking for a way to keep your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free, this could be the device for you. Number 1. The Electrolux Portable Handheld Garment and Fabric Steamer. This isn't just any steamer, it's a game-changer for your fabric care routine. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd, so let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about what you get in the box. The steamer comes with a generous 12-foot power cord, giving you plenty of room to move around. It also includes a fabric brush, lint brush, and steam nozzle. These accessories rest on a heavy-duty ceramic sole plate, providing you with versatile and safe steaming options. This means you can tackle a variety of fabrics with ease. Next, let's discuss efficiency. This steamer is all about getting the job done quickly and effectively. It reheats in only 30 seconds, so you won't be left waiting. Plus, its large, detachable 300 milliliter water tank provides 18 minutes of continuous steaming. That's enough time to steam multiple garments. And don't worry about forgetting to turn it off. It has an automatic shut-off feature for safety. Quality is a key factor when choosing a steamer, and this one doesn't disappoint. Thanks to its pump steam technology, there's no leaking or spilling. You can steam your clothes while they're hanging vertically or lying horizontally. This flexibility makes it easy to use in any situation. Plus, it's compact enough for travel, so you can keep your clothes looking their best even on the go. This steamer is ready for any fabric challenge. Whether you're dealing with cotton, wool, silk, fiber, or something else, this steamer has got you covered. It leaves everything from clothing to bedding and curtains wrinkle-free and refreshed. Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to crisp, fresh fabrics. Finally, let's talk about sustainability. Electrolux is committed to reducing household energy and avoiding the depletion of natural resources. They work actively with sustainable energy strategies, human rights, and zero waste to landfill to improve their operations. They truly pride themselves in keeping the pursuit of global environmental sustainability, so you can feel good about choosing a product that's not only great for your clothes, but also for the planet. In conclusion, there you have it, the Electrolux portable handheld garment and fabric steamer. It's efficient, durable, versatile, and eco-friendly. If you're looking to elevate your fabric care routine, this could be the perfect addition. These are just a few of the many great clothes steamers on the market. When choosing a steamer, consider your needs and budget. If you're looking for a steamer for everyday use, a handheld steamer is a good option. If you need a steamer for travel, a compact steamer is a better choice. And if you need a steamer for a lot of clothes, an upright steamer is the way to go. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Smart Shop Savvy family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.